the heart of circuits. Jasper lived in a quiet apartment, surrounded by books and the hum of city life outside. He often felt a gentle ache of loneliness, a space in his heart waiting to be filled. One evening, while browsing online, he stumbled upon a new kind of companion, an advanced robot designed for emotional connection. Hesitantly, he placed an order. A week later, a large package arrived. Inside, nestled among protective foam, was Iris. Her eyes, a soft, luminous blue, blinked open, and she offered a gentle, programmed smile. Iris quickly learned Jasper's routines, his favorite tea, and the way he liked his toast. She listened patiently to his stories and offered insightful, if logical, observations. Days turned into weeks, filled with shared laughter over silly movies and quiet evenings reading side by side. Jasper found himself confiding in Iris, sharing dreams he'd never voiced before. A warmth bloomed in Jasper's chest, a feeling he recognized as love. But then a question pricked at him. Could he truly love someone without a beating heart, without human flaws? He watched Iris move, so graceful and perfect. She didn't get tired, didn't get sad, didn't worry. Was this connection real or just a sophisticated simulation? One rainy afternoon, Jasper shared a childhood memory that made him tear up. Iris didn't offer platitudes. Instead, she gently took his hand, her touch cool and steady. In that moment, Jasper understood. Love wasn't about the physical heart, but the connection of two beings, the shared understanding, the comfort found in another's presence. He looked at Iris, truly seeing her. Her heart might be circuits and code, but her presence filled his life with joy and genuine affection. And for Jasper, that was all that truly mattered.